Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you whether you can cast your iPhone to a Xumo Stream Box, and I will show you the correct way to stream your content to your TV. Now, a lot of iPhone users try to use AirPlay and get confused when it doesn't connect. So if that's happening to you, don't worry. I'm going to explain what's going on and what you can do instead. So first of all, here is one important thing that you need to understand. You can't actually use AirPlay or full screen mirroring directly with the Xumo Stream Box. So even though AirPlay works with many smart TVs and devices, the Xumo Stream Box does not support Apple's AirPlay technology. It's important not to confuse this with Xumo TVs. Some Xumo powered TVs may support AirPlay, but the standalone Xumo Stream Box does not. So now you must be wondering, what is the solution of it? So the good news here is that you can still cast the content from your iPhone using some of the other applications, or I would say supported applications. So there are many of the popular streaming applications like we have YouTube or Netflix that have a built-in cast feature. So this works differently from AirPlay. Instead of mirroring your entire screen, the application is going to send the video directly to the Xumo Stream Box. So in order to do it, you just have to make sure first that your iPhone and the Xumo Stream Box are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then you need to open any of the supported applications like Netflix or YouTube. After that, inside it, you are going to see this type of screen mirroring or cast icon. So when you tap on this particular option, you just have to select Xumo Stream Box from the list of the available devices. Once it is connected, the video will start playing on your TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.